You won't believe what I found on the internet. This is an interesting new niche that is gaining a lot of momentum right now and can bring you great popularity. The authors shoot videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even Instagram. Such videos are popular among teenage and adult audiences, so you can earn even more. Only 3 minutes a day. Yes, it will take you 3 minutes and you will have great fame. Let's start creating these interesting videos. First of all, we need to find interesting motivational quotes. To do this, I log into Google Bard and log in using my Google account by entering my username and password. The next thing I need to do is write to the chat, write me 10 motivational quotes about animals and wait for the result. After a while, the neural network gives me very interesting answers, and I choose the 9th quote from them. We found something we're going to create a video about, and it's about dolphins. Therefore, we need to find a video row. I will search for video material on Pixels after I visit the site. I go to the Google bar and look at what my quote is about, understand the essence, and go to enter the main character, a dolphin, in the search bar. We get a lot of results with dolphins. We remember what was in the quote and start looking for something suitable in meaning. We go to the video and click on download. I do this with every video. You can also search for video material in other stocks. We have almost everything ready, but we definitely need a voiceover, so let's go do it immediately. I prefer 11 Labs for voice acting, since it gives the ability to generate 10,000 characters. I log in using my Google account. After that, I am given the opportunity to generate. First of all, we need to choose a deep voice. For this, I go to the appropriate window and start playing different voices and choose the one that sounds better. When I have selected a voice, I go back to Google Bar and copy the quote I have selected and paste it into the neural network. I press the generate button and wait a bit. My voice acting is ready. Now I need to save it to my PC. We have prepared everything. We have a script in the video quotes, we have voice acting, and we have collected video material, so we just have to edit everything. I will use CapCut to edit the video. That's because I love it and it's free. First of all, I import all the materials that I have collected. After that, I transfer the voiceover to the timeline and begin to cut out the gaps in the voice, all in order for the video to be dynamic. When I have deleted all the empty spaces in the voiceover, I proceed to add the video to the timeline. I arrange them according to their meaning and frame the video at 9:16 after the video material has been exposed. I add color corrections to make the video look more beautiful. The next thing we need to do is add transitions between fragments for epicness, set settings for them. We're almost done, but we haven't done the most important thing, subtitles. We don't have to write them ourselves because CapCut has a function that does everything for us. I go to the text tab and select automatic subtitles, after which I wait for the program to finish, and after a while we have the opportunity to edit subtitles. I start changing the font, I set the size, I also apply it all to all the pieces. I also do not forget to add animation and put the text in the center. At this point, the video is ready and I'm sending it to be exported. So we created a video, we managed to do it. I gave you a database from which you can create videos. Let's see what we've got.
The playful spirit of the dolphin reminds you, sometimes the best way to overcome challenges is with laughter and lightness.
That's what we got. I think this is a good result, but the main thing is your perseverance so that you do it efficiently. Bring in your ideas and do something new. Don't forget about creating videos and upload them every day. This is my advice to you. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and others, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos from me. See you soon.